back. They help to sustain life across the Asian continent. But scientists are warning Himalayan glaciers are melting at an alarming rate due to climate change. A study by the International Centre for Integrated Mountain Development warns that 2/3 of the ice sheets will be gone by the end of the century unless carbon emissions are drastically cut. The glaciers are a critical source of water for 250 million people living in the Hindu Kush. That's the Himalaya region. Another 1.5 billion rely on rivers flowing from the mountains. The study says the impact on agriculture and energy supplies could be felt well before the turn of the century, affecting India, Pakistan and China. Hannah Safford is a researcher at UC Davis Policy Institute for Energy, Environment and the Economy. She says the report highlights the need to take urgent action on climate change.
It's very much in line with recent news that we've seen showing that the pace and magnitude of climate change is even greater than scientists have said, even as recently as in the past 5 or 10 years. In October, there was a big report from the United Nations International Governmental Panel on Climate Change that showed that greenhouse gas emissions are warming much faster than we expect. We've also seen recent reports showing that sea level rise is accelerating. So again, very much in line with recent reports showing that action is needed and needed now. What this report shows is that it's critical to take action, because if we don't take action, then we could see the loss of the glaciers in the region double. So something bad is going to happen, but we can take steps to limit it from being much worse. At the same time, we can't fool ourselves and think that nothing is going to happen. We're already seeing the impacts of climate change today, so we need to take steps now to protect those who will be affected, for instance, by thinking about how to reuse water when you won't have as reliable water supplies.